companies do not always need more compliance documentation. Often, they need to understand what their existing documentation actually demonstrates. A requirement may exist in one document, implementation evidence in another, and a conflicting public statement somewhere else. That is why I built AI Compliance Evidence Mapper. It is an evidence readiness tool for product, engineering, compliance, and legal teams. This prototype focuses on selected transparency controls associated with Article 50 of the EU AI Act. When I run the analysis, the engine connects exact excerpts to prepared controls. It identifies supporting evidence, partial evidence, material not found in the supplied sources, conflicting descriptions, and questions that still require specialist review. Every finding preserves its source, line number, quotation, evidence strength, and limitation. The mapper then routes each gap to a suggested owner and the smallest useful next action. It never declares an organization compliant or non-compliant. During Build Week, I created this new standalone compliance evidence workflow, including the version control model, applicability questions, evidence strength classification, ownership routing, action planning, and 2 organizational evidence states. I used GPT 5.6 to define the focused MVP, design the control to evidence architecture, create the fictional scenario, establish cautious regulatory language, and make the key product and safety decisions. I used Codex to scaffold and implement the application, build the deterministic TypeScript engine, preserve evidence references, implement conflict detection and owner routing, create automated tests, improve accessibility and responsiveness, and verify the production build. The prototype makes no runtime model calls and does not replace qualified legal judgment. Compliance is not a checkbox. It is an evidence trail.